Hi, boys and girls. Since you're going to be playing Zoo Bingo, I thought we could take a better look at the pictures on the bingo board before we play. So let's look at the first one. Monkey. That's what our monkey looks like. He's all brown and he has a long tail. So let's look for monkey. Is it this one or this one? Make sure you look and point to the one you think is monkey. There it is. Monkey. So a monkey is called, this is the one you're going to mark, the all brown one with the long tail. Next we have our lion. Our lion is brown, but he is interesting because he has all orange fur around his face. So let's look for lion. Is it this one or this one? We're looking for the brown animal with an orange fur around his face. There it is. So when we're looking for lion on our bingo card, we're going to mark this one. Next we have a giraffe. The giraffe has spots on it, but what I notice even more is a really long neck. That's our giraffe. So let's look for it. Where's our giraffe? Is it this one or this one? We're looking for the animal with the long neck. There it is. So when we're playing bingo, we're looking for the animal with the long neck and spots when we're trying to find giraffe. Next we have our polar bear. The polar bear is all white, so I think that's what would help me be able to find it on a bingo card. It's all white. So let's practice finding it. Is it this one or this one? Where is the all white polar bear? There it is. So when you're playing bingo and you hear polar bear, you're looking for the all white bear. Now we have our elephant. The elephant's all gray and he has a long nose. So let's try and find the elephant. Is it this one or this one? There's the elephant. The elephant is all gray with a long nose. So when elephant gets called while you're playing bingo, you're looking for the all gray one. Next we have our peacock. The peacock is all different shades of blues and greens and has a bunch of feathers sticking up. Let's practice finding peacock. Is it this one or this one? Make sure when you're pointing to the one you think it is, you're really looking. There's the peacock. The peacock is shades of blue and green. Next we have a hippo. Ooh, in this picture, it's all gray, kind of like the elephant, but what makes it different is it's standing in the blue water. So hippo is gray and it's standing in the blue water. Let's try and find hippo. Is it this one? Or this one? Make sure to look and point while you find the hippo. There it is. So when we hear hippo while we're playing bingo, this is what we're looking for, the gray animal in the blue water. Next we have our zebra. What stands out to me about the zebra is it's all black and white stripes. Let's practice finding the zebra. We're looking for the black and white stripes. Is it this one? Or this one? There it is. Zebra. You're looking for the black and white stripes when zebra is called out for bingo. Next we have a tiger. The tiger definitely sticks out to me because he is all orange. Let's practice finding the tiger. Is it this one? Or this one? We're looking for the one that is all orange for the tiger. There he is. So when we hear tiger called out, we're looking for the all orange one. All right, that's it, boys and girls. Good luck with bingo.